I might be asking you sometime soon. You don't want I just don't want you in my house.
Okay, this is the hi-hat. It's essentially like a mini tripod. Gonna bring this down, take it off.
Over this. To protect the camera equipment, we go on the other side and or actually through this
Mag. And then we're gonna go ahead, just like any other mini tripod, it snaps right on and screw it down. And then this can go back on. And then we lock it down. And this moves right onto this, like, bingo. So we got the lens here. And the first thing we need to do is put the lens on. So I take off this cap. Open this baby up. Here. Okay, take that off. Now, these go in, like so. Tighten those up. What's that for? There's a mat box. Stops light from getting into the lens. This goes right up like this. This is already loaded up with film, so we're set to go. And there she is.